If you're looking for a easy to grow plant which can be easily multiplied, looks like ferns and has cute little vibrant green leaves, then this plant is just perfect for you. This is rockweed plant. Today we'll talk about everything you need to know to grow this beautiful plant successfully.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started.
A plant with attractive foliage, which is known by various other names like rockweed, Pilea microphylla, baby tears, and artillery plant. Rockweed is an evergreen plant with fern-like foliage, and it's a very fast-growing perennial plant which can be very easily grown with less maintenance, and they look stunning in hanging baskets, garden landscape, and in terrariums as well. Its tiny bright green leaves create a soft, moss-like appearance, and because of its stunning foliage and vibrant green color, they instantly enhance the look of your garden, especially when you grow them with variegated leaves plants. It's not a very demanding plant, so regular fertilizing is not required, but you can feed them during spring and summer, which is its growth period, and you can feed them with vermicompost or with the liquid seaweed fertilizer or nitrogen rich fertilizers. This plant loves warm and humid conditions like ferns, so regular watering is must, but make sure your plant is growing in a well draining pot and media as well. It shouldn't hold water for long, otherwise its roots and shoots will start rotting. Their water and sunlight requirements are very much similar to ferns. So this plant also thrives in bright indirect light like ferns. So make sure it is getting either morning sunlight or bright filtered light. Partial shade, keeping it outdoors will also work. Despite its delicate appearance, it's surprisingly easy to grow. They are very easy to propagate through stem cuttings and root division method. Pruning is highly recommended to make it bushier, and every time you prune your plant, grow those cuttings instead of throwing. Like this one, I grew in this pot from cutting only, and it has already grown so big and bushy, and it is ready to be pruned again. And in this small succulent pot as well, you can see this plant is growing wonderfully, and I grew them from cutting a couple of months back. And now I'll show you how to propagate them. This plant is extremely easy to propagate. All you need to do is take few healthy stem cuttings and place the cuttings in moist soil. You can choose small pot, big pot, any size. Make sure to water it well and keep the soil moist for a couple of days and keep it in bright indirect light. Don't shift it to direct sunlight. And within few weeks, new roots will develop. So overall, it's a beginner friendly plant and it's definitely worth adding to your collection. Just bright indirect light, regular watering and well draining soil, and it will reward you with dense lush green growth throughout the year. So that's all for today, friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Backyard Gardening for more plant care guides and gardening tips. See you in next video. Happy gardening!